Hello everyone, welcome to the Advanced Java tutorial. This is Ashwini, Senior Trainer from Unikaksha. Unikaksha is a digital education provider which deals with different certifications and skill enhancement courses. We have industry experts and academicians with us. Here, we provide industry relevant curriculums for students and professionals. We have real-time scenario-based system on different subjects. We deals with foundational programs, associate certification programs, various professional certification programs, and job-ready programs by using different subjects like machine learning, data science, Java programming, Python programming, full stack development, AWS, Azure, and testing. Now, let's talk about the agenda of today's video. Here, I have divided the whole session into three main parts. That is, a brief introduction on advanced Java, followed by different Java editions and their needs. In the second part, I will tell you about JDBC fundamentals, JDBC architecture, and JDBC components. In the third section, I will explain various steps required to create JDBC applications. After that, I will tell you JDBC SQL flow with the syntaxes. Followed by this, I will explain various types of drivers, connections, and JDBC statements. Along with the example, I will tell you how to connect to the database and execute all the queries. So let's get started with the very first topic and understand what exactly is advanced Java. Advanced Java is nothing but web and enterprise applications followed by client-server architecture. Advanced Java provides so many features than core Java. Most importantly, the APIs defined in the Java Enterprise Edition like servlets, web development, JSP, JDBC, etc. So, what is the need of advanced Java? So, all of us know that for normal projects like desktop applications, core Java is sufficient. But if you want to develop entire web applications with the client server connection and databases, then you should definitely know advanced Java concepts. So let's get started with the different Java editions. There are three different types of Java editions. First, J2SE, second J2EE, and third J2ME. So let's know more about all these three categories. The first category is Java Platform Standard Edition, which can be called as J2SE. This is used to create desktop applications or standalone applications. It involves all core Java classes and helps the user to create simple applications. Next category is Java Platform Enterprise Edition, which is also called as J2EE. So this type has much larger uses of Java like web development, server-side scripting, networking, and other applications as well. J2EE uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. for the development. It's one of the most widely accepted web development standard. The third category is Java Platform Micro Edition, that is J2ME. J2ME uses many libraries and APIs of J2SE, and also it provides its own libraries as well. Basically, J2ME is used to work with mobiles, wireless devices, set-top boxes, etc. So these were the three different categories of Java editions. So you might have got the idea, that is what exactly is a need of advanced Java. So basically J2EE provides large library support for web application development. It is platform independent Java centric environment for development, building and deploying web based applications online. It provides a set of services, APIs and protocols to develop multi-tiered web based applications. So this was all about the basic concepts of advanced Java. If you want to know more about how to work with advanced Java, then stay tuned with us for upcoming videos on JDBC and servlets. So that's all for the session. Thank you and have a nice time. And don't forget to subscribe our Unikaksha channel. You can also visit our website www.unikaksha.com for more details. Thank you.